sithathele lithuba nje lokuthi sibonge kakhulu kunhosta esibebe kakhulu but sibonga imidlalo yahamba kahle ngendlela lesimanga sikhonile ku-attenda ema-finals kwaba kuhle sakhanza nikhona nema-supporters enu nawaletha siyabonga kakhulu kude lokubi lesikuvile ngendzaba yema-games siyabonga kakhulu nje sithi nichubeke even naku-next season nente kahle nidlale kungabe sekuthiwa ebholeni kuyaliwa all we want ukuthi in the near future lonje basibukele iWorld Cup nje akube khona labantu abaqhamuka from la kule league yethu labantu abaqhamuka la eMzimba lesiyababukela ultimately badlala bo World Cup badlala kubo UEFA badlala ku onke lama sporting events la kabakhona sibonga kakhulu umhlonishwa for opening up this platform because besingeke sine as a resort sihambe sisuke nje singakavunyelwa ngumhlonishwa kanye nenkundla lekasebenza nayo sibonga nje lokho ukuthi naye abe naleliso lokuthi as approach to be a part of this wonderful thing in Sine as a business kwethu vele we have to support growth your community we are in the community and lesikufuna kubona kushintsha kwe-mindset yale community I don't think ukuthi kule sakhula nabo nje by the way I come from the community I don't think ukuthi kule sakhula nabo babangacabanga ukuthi within this community kungaba nelotela lelingangaleli so I don't think ukuthi nanyalo bantu bayacabanga nje lenfo lengisho ukuthi in the near future kufuna kube nalabaqhamuka la kule community lestababukela abadlala kuma championships lamakhulu ngiko nje sithi maybe asesende lokwentiwa ngemalokayana lamakhulu ukuze ukuthi badlali bethu babe nayo le experience yokuthi nabo babe treated ngendlela lekufanele ukuthi ama champions atreatwe ngayo ngiko nje sithe ngcono ukuthi sibacele sibuye and celebrate together with them we are hopeful nje ukuthi kulabo labawinile sabangemahlahlandlela ethu njenge region mina nje I'm really hoping ukuthi nani ma team leningakawini thathani some of famous stars and phela siba promote laba la sebadlala khona so that batokhona ukuthi baqhubeke siyafuna ukuthi kube ne team letawuba with from this region letawuba represented at Premier League level ngoba ngikolo lokutasenda ukuthi sikhona kuphusha size sifike ngikolo lokutasenda siphusha size sifike to a point where kutaba nebamfula abataba identified baba scoutwe locally ukuthi bayodlala in competitive leagues siyabonga nje kakhulu sibonge nebaka ho for organizing such a beautiful event siyabonga kakhulu may the Lord continue to bless you sibonge nabo Rafaela njengalokushitwo kuba lukhuni honestly for them because they have to remain neutral even under trying circumstances siyabonga nje kakhulu nalabo ke nawo onke nje ama teams la ka participate siyabonga kakhulu lokho ukuthi nithi dedicate kulokunye akusiko lukhuni mina nje I've seen labanye beta babalayishe kushona ngemaveni baya kuma games and everything uyabona lokuthi it's a big sacrifice leyo and siyathanda nje kuba appreciate laba supporter all these different teams we are looking forward to an improved version of this event going forward siyabelieve nje ukuthi ngeminyaka akube khona lesikwenda ngcono would love to see a situation nje whereby ngiyakhumbula nje laba winile bebagcoke ijezi leli ngathi selivaba wabile man kwangiconcern lokho ukuthi andisabona abashintsha nemakhokho and what have you uyabona lo ukuthi kusese kunyenelele kufuna ukuthi kwendeke siyathanda nje ukuthi sikusho lokuthi we'll see how best can we improve mhlambe sengigcina sengigcina kungaba nangiloko ukuthi siyababonga nalaba baka ProBuild for laba sponsorisha the league, because akusiyo info lelula lokuthi nje kuphume imali from an organization iye la khona ungeke uze ube na something loku tangible, but siyabonga lo mcondvo wabo lokuthi nabo ba support ibhola nawo onke ama sponsorships la kabakhona, siyabonga kakhulu. Mhlambe ekugcineni ngcinci ngomfundisi, so bafundisi bakhuluma kanjalo, sikungaba kubonga i-management yaseSibebe Resort kanye nabo bonke i-management ne-staff sakhona for the support that they've shown to this event. Siyathanda ukuthi sithi siyabonga nje kakhulu, nichubeke nisupporte, we are ama-citizens alendzawo, and we need to make sure ukuthi si-supporta ngayo yonke indlela onke ama-initiatives alendzawo. Ngalawo magama sithi siyabonga, sibonge ne-media, siyabonga for the coverage kakhulu. May the Lord bless you.